Eyewitness News' Russ McQuaid is at the Federal Correctional Institute in Terre Haute now. Russ?
And a good afternoon. Yes, it's been a back and forth day all day out here, actually for the last couple days. At 10 o'clock this morning, just 6 hours before he was scheduled to enter the death chamber, Daniel Lewis Lee received at least a reprieve for the time being from a federal judge in Washington who wanted to hear more about the federal government's drug regimen, phenobarbital sodium, that will be injected supposedly into Daniel Lewis Lee's veins as his method of execution. That judge in Washington says she wants to know more about that drug, its efficacy, and whether or not it causes undue suffering. As a result, she issued a stay, a temporary stay, if it holds, not only for Lee, but it will also hold for 3 other men who are destined to go into the death chamber between now and the end of the summer. Technically, Lee is supposed to be executed today. That means anytime up until 11:59 p.m. The staff here, we've spoken to them at the Bureau of Prisons here at the U.S. Penitentiary in Terre Haute. They are waiting on the sidelines to hear word as to whether or not this execution will go forward. 200 Bureau of Prison employees from around the country have converged here in Terre Haute. This is a specialty of those state or of those federal employees to carry out an execution. They, as well as Lee, who presumably would still be in the death house at this hour, are on standby to determine if before the end of the night a higher court will vacate that judge's ruling from this morning. We'll also be standing by. Live for Eyewitness News, I'm Russ McQuaid in Terre Haute.